Need to get a document notarized fast and from anywhere? I'm going to walk you through exactly how Blue Notary works, from signed up to signed document in just a few moments. Let's go. First, you'll enter your email address and create a password. This will create your signer account. Next, upload the document you need notarized. You can drag and drop it right in or browse your files. PDF works perfectly here. Once it's uploaded, you're ready for the next step. Here's where Blue Notary confirms you are who you say you are. You'll take a picture of or upload a photo of your government-issued ID. A driver's license or passport works great. Then you'll complete a quick biometric check. It's fast, it's secure, and it protects everyone in the transaction. Once your identity is verified, you'll enter your payment details. Blue Notary's notarization fee is one of the most competitive in the industry. Now, the part you came for. You'll join the live session and meet your notary face-to-face, right on your screen. Your notary will guide you through the signing, apply their official seal, and you're done. That's it. Document notarized, legally, securely, from wherever you are. Try Blue Notary today at BlueNotary.us.